I think, look, fundamentals, we take away the tweet of the day and everything else, fundamentals in the United States are still good. They're improving. I mean, profits, number one, are still improving. There's still adequate liquidity. And one could hardly say that people are ebullient or over-enthusiastic. So the things you'd normally see for the beginning of a bear market just aren't here.
How about you, Jim? What are you telling people in South Texas?
Yeah, same thing. We see the same thing, strong profits, strong economy. Typically, you'd see a downturn about a year after the last series of Fed rate hikes, which seems to be the story of the day. So we don't really see anything threatening right now through 2019.
John, are you positive or negative? We're going to hit a triple here on the bulls?
Hi, Michelle. Good morning. I'm afraid we're going to hit a triple, and I think we have to be careful of that, right? We don't want to make sure consensus is too optimistic, but I do think that when you look at CapEx plans, profits lead to CapEx. We're looking for that to increase productivity and ultimately wages. We believe strongly that this thing has further room to run.
Nobody has raised any big concerns about trade?
Well, let's not get drunk on this, right? It's not March of '09.
Right.
We're 9 years in, and you're not seeing, people forget, it's not just the stock market. It's the corporations do stupid things too, and you really haven't seen that through this whole cycle. You're starting to see CapEx pick up. That's healthy. Eventually, corporate America will get silly. They'll get drunk on their own press releases as well, and then we'll really have a lot to worry about. But you can see the problems beginning, but I don't think they're here right now.
But what I was going to say, Jim, is not one of you seem to be wringing your hands over trade.
Well, trade is the obvious issue. I think that's more of a Trump deal. Elections in Ohio, elections in midterms won't really influence that too much. But, and trade, wealth is created by production and exchange. So, to the extent you limit exchange, it can be a big deal. But right now the markets are kind of at that point where either they think it's going to go forward with a big trade war, or that it's mostly using a bearish threat to bring about a bullish result. And right now we're still in that area.